Today's ride is going to be a quick one. I'm riding my YUME Hawk, which is a 52 volt, 2400 watt two-wheel drive scooter. It goes 43 miles an hour. It's a great ride. I'm going to be going up this trail here, and this should take me about 4 minutes. I hope you enjoy the video. Something I learned at an early age is how to pick my lines way in advance. I discovered that if I look 25 to 30 yards in front of me, I can keep a really good idea of where I need to start positioning my lines, which makes it really easy for me to keep focused on my trail underneath me. Because if I can see what's coming up, then I can start to move into that area to avoid rocks and debris, clutter, etc. And by doing that, you are able to keep an eye on it peripherally underneath you as you're going up there. Also, you always want to overshoot the obstacles by a little bit so you don't drag your rear wheel across. That really aids in traction as well as keeping your bumps down. However, sometimes that's just not possible.
This corner up here is usually a steep corner on a mountain bike. Never done it on the scooter. Not bad. Not bad. It's really smooth compared to the other side of this. Now, I could be going way faster, but no interest. You can hear the front wheel spinning up that, even though I was leaned over.
To give you a little perspective on how high I have climbed, you wouldn't even be able to tell what I was down on the trail from where I'm at.
Definitely not the same as riding a 26 or a 29 over these things. Get a hell of a workout too. Might recognize that lake down there from some of my other hill climbs. Whew. Legs are getting a little crampy. There you go. Beautiful view.
If you have found this video useful and would like to order your own YUME Hawk, be sure to click on the link in the description.
Should be smooth up here, and I should be able to open it up a little bit. Still climbing pretty solid. Caught a little air there.
If you're enjoying my content, please like the video, take a moment and subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I can assure you I won't be blasting you with a lot of content, but I would really enjoy it if you would stick around. Thank you so much for watching.